Welcome to Whiton Hall. This is a shared living experience just a block off the Commons. By shared, we mean you have your own private lockable room, and on the floor is a communal kitchen and bathrooms. We're here today to see apartment 302, located on the third floor of the building. Let's go on inside. Inside, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture. You'll have a dresser, a desk and a desk chair, a full-size bed, and a bookshelf. Every room also comes with a microwave and a mini fridge. You'll have lots of natural light from these windows facing both southeast and southwest. The feature of all of our buildings is our intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. You'll have plenty of closet space. Rent here in Whiton Hall includes everything. Heat, hot water, trash, recycling, electricity, even the internet is included. Thank you for coming on a tour today of Whiton Hall 302. Call us today for availability.